Good morning, students. Welcome back to our English online class. Today we are going to see a one wonderful story. Let's enjoy with it. Let's start our class. Today topic is these two part. Okay. What is pot? Pot is made up of clay and sand. Metal pots are made up of metal. Okay. In ancient days, in old days, our forefathers, our grandfathers are used mud things, mud kitchen sets. Okay. Now we are use our silver, stainless silver and non-stick kitchen we have to use for made of food. Okay, let's see the story. These two part. Okay, this pot is mud pot. This pot is metal pot, brass. Okay, there are two pots, mud and brass. Number one is mud, number two is brass. Okay, mud and brass go to the river to play. Behind the pot we see in the picture river. Okay, the mud and brass pot go to the river to play. Okay, brass said, I will swim in the river, but you can't. The brass pot said to, I will swim in the river, but you can't. Mud said, why? Suddenly, mud replied to brass, why? Brass said, if you hit on a rock, you will be break. Brass pot answered to mud pot, if the water flows highly, hit you, the fast water hit you, you will hit by the rock and you will break. Break means broken or destroyed, collapse, damage. Okay, mud said, let's me try. Mud has confident to let's try. Okay, let me try. Mud and brass start to swim in the river. Both part are enter into the river and start their swim. Okay, brass said, let us swim deeper. Brass pot asked to mud pot, let us swim deeper. We start our swimming with increase the deeper swim. Okay, mud said no. Let us go back to the river bank. Mud pot replied to brass pot, no, we are go to back the river bank. Okay, mud went back to the river bank, but brass went on. Finally, mud pot come out from the river and the pot stand river bank. Brass not come out. Brass pot went again deeper in the river. Okay, soon The river was deep and Brass was not able to swim. The river water flowing very fast and deeper. The Brass pot cannot able to swim freely. Help, help, said Brass. The Brass pot said, help, help, because the water flows going very fast. The Brass pot can't able to manage it, so the pot need help. Okay. Mud used a stick from the river bank to help. Mud search and take a stick from the river bank to help the Brass pot. After that, Mud and Brass do not play in the river. Finally, the Brass pot come out from the river. Both pots are decide to don't play in the river. Don't play in the river. They only play by the river, not play inside the river, but they decide to play nearby the river. Okay. These pots are friends and talking together. They ready to go to river to play. Brass said, I will swim, but you can't. Suddenly, Mud, why? Brass pot said, if you hit on a rock, you will break. No, let me try. Brass and Mud start their swim in the river. Brass said, let us swim deeper. Mud said, no, we want to go river bank. Finally, Mud went out from the river, but Brass pot not come to the river bank. Finally, she can't able to swim in the deeper water. Help, help, that Brass pot need help. Finally, Mud saved the life of Brass pot. End of the story. Mud and Brass don't play in the river. They only play by the river. Okay.